In a rural community in Mexico, more than 1,600 residents depend on a pumping line for their potable water supply. The existing pipeline, built in HDPE, had recurrent failures at its joints due to pressure surges generated by sudden changes in pump operation. The solution was the installation of 630 meters of 6-inch Pexgol pipe for the pumping line. Thanks to its flexibility, Pexgol allows directional changes in confined spaces by using its natural bending radius, significantly smaller than that of other plastic and metal pipes. The entire length was supplied in only 2 continuous coils, reducing the number of joints to just 3 across the entire pipeline. Installation required only 2 backhoes, 1 decoiler, and a team of 4 workers trained directly on site. On the first day, the entire pipeline was uncoiled. On the second day, the joints were completed, the hydrostatic test was performed, and most of the line was backfilled. The installation was carried out by members of the community itself, demonstrating the ease of handling and installation of the Pexgol system. In just 48 hours, the pumping system was restored, ensuring operational continuity and providing a reliable, long-lasting solution for the community. Pexgol, engineering that protects what matters most.